Hey guys, this is Oliver from Tech Life. Today we're going to be looking at the JBL Link Portable, the newest speaker from JBL. This is the hottest speaker right now here, end of 2019. It has so many features, I cannot wait to try this out. So this is pretty much the first portable speaker that I know of that has hands-free Google Assistant out of the box. But it does not only include that, it also has Chromecast and Airplay too, which is just huge. And then otherwise you can just use it as a normal Bluetooth speaker. This particular one is also really cool that it has like a docking station. So it's really super nice. You can just leave a docking station in the kitchen, living room or so ever. Just have the speaker there, always listening, always playing whatever music you want, and always fully charged if you want to take it on the go. So apart from that, the Bluetooth is also waterproof. So this is just super cool. Can't wait to try it out. Okay guys, so here we have it. This is the JBL Link Portable. Really nice box here. Dare to listen on the other side. So it's IPX7 certified, so you can have it underwater for 30 minutes at 1 meter depth. You also have 8 hours of battery life, Airplay 2, Chromecast built in, and you can also use hands-free voice control, like using Google Assistant. It also has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and as you can see, it's compatible with Android and iOS phones. And one of the best things about the speaker is the ability to control music just with your voice. I'm not sure yet if it's possible to make voice calls just through your phone via Bluetooth. So I'll definitely let you guys know that in the review. So yeah, let's just open this box and see what's inside. Then we can just open like this. And we get straight access to the speaker, which is right here. So we have our dock here in the bottom, then we have the speaker itself. Okay guys, so inside the box we get a quick start guide, we get a nice dock here for the speakers, we have the speaker themselves and a USB Type-C cable. The speaker itself here has plus minus button, which is this kind of hard rubbery feel to it, and then we have a Google Assistant button at the top. Here in the bottom we have a power button, a mute button, a Bluetooth button, and a battery bar together with the USB Type-C port. I do not entirely know how they made this port waterproof, but this is IP7 certified. I would recommend maybe buying a little cover for the port if you're going to take it to the beach or so on, where sand might be able to come in. And as you can see, here's a little bit of the manual, the quick start. Okay guys, so this was just a quick unboxing, kind of telling you about the main features, also kind of what comes in the box. Really happy with the look of the speaker, the quality, it feels like really nice. So yeah, if you want to see more about the speaker and reviews about it with a lot more information about how it works, then please check my review. It'll be coming out very soon. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one.